Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today I will be swatching these matte liquid lipsticks from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I did purchase these on their website and they do retail for $5. If you guys have never seen any of my lipstick swatching videos, I come to you guys and swatch on clean lips. Then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts, comments, questions, concerns, opinions, all that jazz at the very end. I said that was repetitive. So just to show you guys, it comes in this clear tube with the e.l.f. logo, and then it has a black wand. And then on the bottom, as always, there is the name of the actual lipstick itself. And then just so you guys can see, this is the type of applicator that it does come with. It is the same exact applicator that you would find on Smashbox Cosmetics liquid lipstick. All of the swatches. Just to go ahead and get into my notes, something that I noticed right away is that this formula dries very, very quickly, which is definitely a pro because I hate fanning and waiting for lipstick, so I am definitely happy that it dries so quickly. Next, this is kind of a con. It does settle into the wrinkles of your lips. However, I did not get that restricted feeling. It didn't crumble off. You just do get a little bit of texture because the formula goes on smooth, but then as you start talking and moving your mouth, then it does settle into those lines of your lips. Something that we can all appreciate is that this lipstick does come off very, very easily. As always, I do use my e.l.f. makeup cleansing cloths to remove my lipstick, and it just came off with ease. I didn't have to scrub. I didn't have to raw out my lips or anything. It just came off with one good swipe. Overall, all the lipsticks had this very nice, creamy, silky type of formula. It wasn't too thick, but it wasn't watery. It was just that good medium in between creamy type of formula. The only thing that I will say was that the shade that I swatched forth, that was MAUVELOUS, it was that pink kind of color, that completely cracked, like going on. You guys could see it when I was swatching it. You could see it in the video. It just was very crumbly, very crackly. It was breaking up as I was putting it on my lips and as it was drying. So that was the only one that I definitely would not recommend. I didn't like the way that it looked. It just, I don't know, it didn't seem like it was a different formula, but for some reason, it was just separating out on my lips. As you start to talk and move your lips, then I am noticing that it is crumbling and separating out. You guys can see right there. It looks like a little patchiness, but that's from the lipstick breaking up. So it wasn't just that MAUVELOUS shade. It seems to be all of them are just breaking up and crumbling out. So that is definitely like make or break for me because this had potential to be such a good like formula and such a good liquid lipstick, has an excellent price point. However, within less than 5 minutes of wearing this, you can see that it's just breaking up into pieces. And then of course, the most important question, is it kiss proof? Yes. So you guys, that is all that I have for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe on your way out. If you guys want to see more types of videos like this, then definitely comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite shade, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. My head is filled with ruins. Most of them are built with you. Now the dust no longer moves. Don't